Welcome back to Easy Vegetarian. We're finishing up our recipes today with an orzo salad with chickpeas and artichoke hearts. So first off, we started a little pot of boiling water so that we can boil these Orzo rice pellets. And it's gonna be a half a cup of it, so. And then, while that is boiling, we're going to mix the garlic with the spices.
The recipe calls for 1 clove of garlic, which you mash together with a little bit of salt to form a paste.
The orzo is going to take about 9 minutes to cook. So, I am going to drain the chickpeas. And what's going on over there?
I'm not sure how to make this into a paste.
Oh, let me show you a trick.
Okay, please do.
Yes. Let me show you a trick. Okay, so to get the shell off of this, you have to just press on it. And it'll come off.
Okay. Learn something new every day.
Oh, yes, you do. See?
There we go.
There it is. Little garlic guy.
Thank you very much. Oh, that's much easier. Thank you.
Isn't it?
Yes,
Okay.
much easier. So I'm going to take the garlic with a little bit of salt and add a little more salt to this. Make that into a paste. This goes on top of our salad. Gives it some good flavor. You can mash it with the back of a spoon.
I got a little strainer for the chickpeas, and I'm going to rinse them off a little bit so it gets off the little slime stuff that comes in the can. And then I'm going to just throw them in this little bowl and do the same thing with the artichoke hearts. Oh, and there's spices in this.
It smells good.
Looks good. But I'm not going to rinse off the artichoke hearts because they have those spices on them. And then I'm going to cut them up, dice them up just a little bit. They look good. They remind me of olives. They're so good. I love olives. Just cut them up so that they're more halves of the half, so that they can
Last one. There we go.
be, you can just pop them in your mouth really easily.
To the garlic and salt mix, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and a little bit of black pepper. Okay.
I'm gonna add in these artichokes with the chickpeas.
Add a little pepper.
And then when the orzo is done cooking, I'm gonna add that. It says to rinse off the orzo and then kind of squeeze it out so it gets the excess water out of it.
Orzo has to cook for about 9 minutes. Kind of like pasta. I guess it is a form of pasta. Which is going to be really good with the rest of the salad.
Yeah. I'm also going to add a 1/3 of a cup of feta cheese and just slice this up on the same cutting board that you use with your artichokes, because it's all going to mix together and it'll get really good flavor anyway with the artichoke juices.
I'm going to add our garlic lemon mixture to chickpeas and artichokes. Adds that little bit of flavor in there.
That's about 1/3 of a cup. This little square.
We've got a delicious mix going right here.
And then just crumple this all together.
I love feta cheese.
Yeah, feta will just crumble right away, so you don't really need to cut it that much. All you have to do is just cut it into cubes so that it can crumble all together.
And by mixing this all together beforehand, it soaks up the lemon juice and the salt and pepper and the garlic and puts all that flavor together. Like that. And we also are going to chop up 1 large tomato to add to our salad. So we'll go ahead and do that. I love the color of tomatoes.
The orzo is almost done.
Big slices of tomato. This salad feels very Mediterranean to me.
It does, because of the feta and then the artichokes and all of that. Did you have the dill yet?
Not yet.
Okay. Well, we need 2 tablespoons of dill. And it's easier just to...
Ooh, that smells really strong.
It does. It's easier
good.
just to kind of like peel it off so you can get all of it together.
It smells really good.
Because we don't want that huge stem on the dill, but we do want those little tiny stems that have the dill on them. Looks good.
Lovely. Oh, look at this color. It looks so good.
Yum. That looks really good.
This would be a great salad to bring to like a dinner party or something like that.
It would.
Because whenever you go to a dinner party, the salads, everybody else's salad always looks better than your own. So if you bring the salad, you're gonna impress your friends or your family.
Oh yeah. So bring the salad and you'll be the star of the party.
You could also add your own flavor to the salad too. You could add some almonds or trying to think other kinds of cheese or...
You could even add like Greek olives or something.
Ooh, olives in here would be really good.
Yeah.
Look at that.
That'd be
So
good.
gorgeous.
Okay, I'm just gonna
Lovely.
slice these up a little bit.
Let's check on the orzo. Ooh, it's getting close.
This doesn't have to be perfect, just so you can get the flavors out and have everything together. And then add it to the salad.
All right, and it looks like our orzo is tender, so I'll go ahead and drain that.
And I'm gonna lay out the leaf lettuce onto these 2 plates. It says for the recipe it's 2 servings, so you need 2 cups of spinach leaves. And these look really good. They look super fresh.
Oh yeah, they do. This is what the orzo looks like when it's all finished. Kind of looks like big rice or something like that, but
Yeah,
it's
it
kind of
does.
pasta. It looks really good.
It does.
So you toss this together with our big bowl of veggies and dill and spices.
And then mix it all together.
Just that by itself looks so good.
It does. You can have this probably for a meal or an appetizer
probably could.
without the salad.
Yeah.
All right, so then after we're done mixing all this together, just throw it on top of the salad.
Oh, that color is so pretty. Yeah, that pasta salad by itself looks really good. Oh, but with the spinach, it looks gorgeous.
It does. Wonderful.
That looks delicious.
Yes. So next week on Easy Vegetarian, we will take a look at some quick late night snacks. So make sure to come back and check it out.
And as always, make sure you check out the recipes and recipe talk on easyvegetarian.wordpress.com. Thank you so much for tuning in tonight. I'm Laura Bernero.
I'm Chloe Eckberg.
Thank you for watching.